Hey everybody, welcome back to my shop. Last week, what we did was when we were running the base trim around the finished portion of the basement, which is the opposite side of my shop, we worked on the inside corner and how to coat that corner. If you can see behind me in the background there, we have the coat corner. That came out real nice. I have another one on that side. I'll turn the camera around and show you. You can see right there, I coat that molding also. Now, I'll bring it back to the opening here. And what I need to do is, this is just going to have, the regular finished sheetrock, or maybe I'm just going to, put some stained pine in there that's going to match the barn door to just case the opening here. But what I need to do is end the base trim molding here, the baseboard. I want to come up to the edge of the wall here, and then I want to make what's called a return, because I'm not going to be wrapping this around because my portion of the shop is not going to have sheetrock, so I'm not going to be running base molding around the whole door. So what I'm going to do is just bring it up here and make a mark. And then you can see here, I'm going to get you a close-up of this. This is the return that I want to do. Okay, so you can see what I did here. As I came to the edge, I marked it where the wall stopped, and I have the base molding running downwards into the floor and dyeing into the floor. So that's a really nice detail. There's another way you can do it, but I just like the way this looks in particular. So what I'm going to do is show you how to do that on the other side. Okay, so the first thing I want to do is make sure I got the molding tight up against the corner there where it needs to be. Now, I want it to come right to the edge of the wall, so I'm going to make that mark right at the edge of the wall here. But just about a 1/16 of an inch in, maybe a little less, maybe 32nd. Now, what I'm going to do is mark which way I need to make the angle cut. I need to make a 45 this way. So I'm just going to put a mark here going in that direction, so this way I remember when I get to the miter saw which way I need to make the cut. So let's bring it over there and make the cut.
Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is set my combination square to the 45-degree side, place that up against the baseboard, and mark a line in the direction I need to cut the 45-degree angle from where I marked it on the wall. Now with my miter saw set to the left 45 degrees, I can make that cut. Now to make the return, I'll swing my miter saw 45 degrees to the opposite side using a scrap piece of the baseboard. I'll line my blade up with the bottom corner point and make the cut. This will create our return.
Okay, and so now here we are. We got the baseboard laid against where it is. I have it tied up against the other molding. I tack nailed it in there in the corner. And now what we can do is I like to put a little glue on any miter joint. Go ahead and put some glue on that. Okay guys, so that's it. Level with the wall. We have a nice return. The miter makes a nice splice, a little joint compound in there that's going to fill the nail holes and a little bit of caulk on the top, seal everything up, and then a nice fresh coat of paint to cover all that stuff up. Alright guys, so I hope you enjoyed this. So I'll see you guys in the next video, and we got a lot to do. So I'm going to take care of this off camera. Make sure you subscribe, click that picture of a bell, that's a notification bell, and every time I upload a video, you'll get notified. Alright guys, I'll see you next time.